So, what makes a good cybersecurity strategy? Definitely not risks, definitely not tools. It's really all about collaboration. It's how you can comprehend the business and work with business to understand what they need, understand how they deliver the services, and be able to secure those services in the context of the objectives of what business tries to achieve with these services. And this is what we bring as a value for Parabellyx. Right from the start, our cybersecurity framework asks the questions of not just security team, but an overall organizational teams, understanding what are the goals and how are they planning to deliver both in short term and long term towards those goals. And this is what we use as a basis of our framework. Moreover, security team has to progress and evolve as the business progress and evolves. So we need to align the progress of a cybersecurity program together with the progress of other business teams delivering towards the business objectives. And this alignment can only be achieved as everybody is working together with the team. So we facilitate that dialogue between business and cybersecurity, and we help cybersecurity to realize that they no longer can work in silo, that they have to consider what other teams are doing within the organization, and they need to support those teams. They need to help those teams to deliver what they need to make organizations successful